previous lecture we have completed chapter number 10 part 2. Today we are going to start part 3. So let's begin. So let us start with the first topic of today, addition of decimals. A bar 9.04 plus 3.218. First step is convert unlike decimals into like decimals. What are like decimals? Decimals having same number of decimal places is called like decimal. And decimals having different number of decimal places is called unlike decimal. So first let us convert into like decimal. So here you can see after decimal point there are 2 digits. And here after decimal point there are 3 digits. So now let us place 0, 9.040 and here it will be 3.218. So now let us add them. 0 plus 8, 8, 4 plus 1, 5, 0 plus 2, 2, 9 plus 3, 12. So the answer is 12.258. B bar 305.2 plus 7.29 plus 0.645. Again we will convert unlike into like decimal. So here you can see after decimal point there is 1 digit, here 2 digits and here 3 digits. So we will place 2 zeros here. 305.200, then 7.290, then 0.645. So let us add. It will be 5, 9 plus 4, 13 and 1 carry. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it will be 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 3, 13. Then 1 carry. It will be 1 and 3. So the answer is 313.135. Now C bar 7 centimeter plus 3.5 centimeter plus 1.2 centimeter. So now let us add. It will be 7.0 centimeter. Then 3.5 centimeter. Then 1.2 centimeter. So let us add. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10 and 11. So the answer is 11.7 centimeter. Now D bar 2.5 kilometer plus 8 kilometer plus 7.459 kilometer. Again we will convert into like decimal. So here after decimal there are 3 digits. So it will be 2.500 kilometer. Then 8.000 kilometer. Then 7.459 kilometer. So let us add. It will be 959 and here 8 plus 2, 10 plus 7, 17 kilometer. So the answer is 17.959 kilometer. I hope students addition of decimals is clear. Next topic, subtraction of decimals. So it is same like addition. Here we have to subtract. A bar 68.83 minus 18.86. So first let us see both are in like decimals. Yes. So let us subtract. Right here 68.83 minus 18.86. So 13 minus 6, 7. It will be 17. 17 minus 8, 9. So it will be 7. 17 minus 8, 9. So it will be 5. 5 minus 1, 4. So the answer is 49.97. B part 127.31 minus 65.31. So are they both in like decimals? Yes. So right here 127.31, 65.31. Subtract 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 7 minus 5, 2. 12 minus 6, 6. So the answer is 62. It is 62.00. So we can say the answer is 62. Now C part 5.214 kg minus 0.068 kg. So let us subtract. Right here 5.214, write the unit kg, then 0.068 kg. So let us subtract. It will be 14 minus 8, 6, and right here kg. It will be 10, 10 minus 6, 4. It will be 1, 1 minus 0, 1. Then 5 minus 0, 5. So the answer is 5.146 kg. Now D part 17.81 minus 12.468. So after decimal point, here are 2 digits and here are 3 digits. So let us convert into like decimal. So right here 17.810 and here 12.468. So let us subtract 10 minus 8, 2. So here it will be 10 minus 6, 4. So it will be 7 minus 4, 3. And 7 minus 2, 5. So the answer is 5.342. I hope students subtraction of decimals is clear. Next topic, word problems on decimals. A bar, Ram bought a book worth rupees 143.60 from a bookseller. He gave him rupees 500 note. How much balance did he get back? So students, what is cost of the book? Rupees 143.60 and money paid to bookseller rupees 500. So let us write here cost of the book is equal to rupees 143.60. Then money paid to the bookseller. How much money has he paid to the bookseller? Rupees 500. And to make like decimal, we will add 2 zeros. So now how much balance did he get back? So we will subtract. So right here rupees 500 minus rupees 143.60. So it will be 0. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. Then it will be 9. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 minus, then it will be 4 minus 1, 3. So it is coming rupees 356.40. How much money Ram has got back? Rupees 356.40. B part, Shruti spent rupees 12.50 for buying a pen and rupees 2.75 for one pencil. How much did she spend? So what is the money spent for pen? It is rupees 12.50 and money spent for one pencil rupees 2.75 and total money we have to find out, we will add. So let us write here money spent for a pen is equal to rupees 12.50. Now money spent for one pencil, it is rupees 2.75. Now we have to find out how much did she spend. Means total money spent. We will add. So let us write here 12.50 plus rupees 2.75. Add them. It will be 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 2 plus 2, 4 and 5. It will be 1. So it is 15.25. Total money Shruti spent rupees 15.25. Now let us do NCERT book questions. The topic is guess, draw and measure. So this topic is there in your book, page number 137. So now let us read together. Guess the lengths to draw these things. Ask your friend to draw the same. After you make the drawing, use a scale to measure the length. Whose drawing showed a better guess? So students, according to the drawings, here you have to guess that what will be the length. Guess its length and draw. You have to draw this in your rough copy. Guess and write your answer. Measure of your drawing. Whatever drawing you are making, A part is an ant of length less than 1 centimeter. So measure of your drawing and measure of your friend's drawing. So students, this question you have to do by your own. Now next topic, our eyes gets confused. Next topic, our eyes get confused. Which line is longer, A or B? Here they are saying which line is longer. Measure each line and write how long it is in centimeters. How good is your guess? So this is line A and this is line B. So with the help of your scale, you will measure later. First you have to guess. So it will be around 4. So now use your scale. Line A is 4.6 centimeter and line B is 4.6 centimeter. And line B is longer than line A. Next question. Which line is longer? C or D? So students, you have to measure and tell which line is longer. Measure each line. How good is your guess? So students, here it is clearly visible that line C is longer than line B. And by measuring, both the lines are equal. It is 3.2 centimeter each. Next topic, whose tail is the longest? So this topic is there in your book, page number 138. So this picture is there in your book. You can see different animals. We have to tell which animal has the longest tail. Now measure the tails. How good is your guess? So from this picture, it is clearly visible that monkey has the longest tail. Which animal has the longest tail? Monkey. Now calculate. We have to calculate the length of the tail. So these are different animals. Rat, monkey. So students, now measure their length and write your answer.